All right, how's it going? Back here at the Team O'Neill Rally School, I'm Wyatt. We're gonna do a couple of quick tests to highlight the difference in braking distance and time between four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. I'm in two-wheel drive right now. Nice straight patch of road, 45 miles an hour, try and stop. Full and complete stop. Now, okay, 5.5 seconds. I'm gonna put it in four-wheel drive. Okay, 45 miles an hour, 3, 2, 1, stop. Full stop. Now, 5.00, okay? So I'm in four-wheel drive still. I'll do another one. 45, 3, 2, 1, stop. 5.03, so that's consistent, right at 5 seconds. I'll go two-wheel drive. Get back up to 45 miles an hour. Try and stop. .5, okay, that's consistent. All right, so same test. I'm in four-wheel drive. We're gonna get up to, I'm at 45 miles an hour, level piece of road. Going a little too fast, there we go. Stop. .79, I'm gonna go two-wheel drive. That's 45, level and straight, try and stop. .04, okay. Four-wheel drive, high range. Get it to 45 right there. Levels out right about here, try and stop. .43. Two-wheel drive, 45 miles an hour. Once I hit the level patch down here, try and stop. .16. Four-wheel drive. Okay, 45 miles an hour on the nose. 3, 2, 1, stop. .75. All right, so that's the difference braking between when you're in four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive, and that works in a part-time four-wheel drive vehicle. That means it has a transfer case, and all that's going on here is this vehicle normally would have 70-something% front brake and 20-something% rear brake, so that it works well on pavement when you're braking hard in an emergency braking situation. That's what you need. Anyone who's driven a race car or anything with adjustable brake bias knows that on a slippery road, you want less front brake or more rear brake, however you want to think about it. Something more equal, 50-50 brake bias from front to rear, and that's all we're doing with the transfer case. If you think about it, the transfer case is solidly engaging the front drive shaft, and the rear drive shaft will turn at the same speed regardless of whether you're on the throttle, off the throttle, or on the brakes. They're linked by the driveline. It's the same as a UTV or an ATV. You know, the front brakes only obviously work on the front wheels, but if I put that thing in four-wheel drive and grab the brakes, I can get all four wheels to lock up through the driveline, even though of course that brake system only operates on the front brakes. So that's all it is. We saw a little bit of inconsistency in the results, but the common trend was that obviously four-wheel drive braking was much better. And you know, some of those other variables are just, you know, hey, a little icy patch, a little better grip, tires working better somewhere than others, but that's the moral of the story. Team O'Neill, check out Team O'Neill at teamo'neill.com. If you're into any of these winter driving types of videos, definitely subscribe to the channel, add any questions or anything else you got in the comments. We'll catch you next time.